Feeling lang. Papakita natin yung mga bagets later. Let's send the photo to Tito Henry. Picture. Kawawa na naman ang Tito Henry. Hindi na naman kasama. Aizen, ano? This video is for Ninong Henhen. Okay lang daw po ipakita si baby sa vlog. With consent from mommy and papa. Okay, Ninong Henhen? Wag na masyadong OA. Look at the baby, kasi naman ako. You smile muna to the camera, malay mo. Mag-ano tayo paglaki mo. Paglaki mo, toy reviews ka sa akin. Yung isa, hindi ko pa magawa ng toy reviews eh. Oh my God, gosh, aesthetic ng clip na to. Ito parang may pagka-shot na
last rank? Grabe naman. Last rank si River? Hindi ako nakakuha.
Kali, do you want a baby sister?
Kawawa naman si River.
What baby have?
This one?
Yeah.
Rushes. That's rushes.
Intrimitida talaga to, natanong pa. Dami. Ako po ay ayaw magpababa. Sama-sama ka pa, hindi ka naman pala maglalakad. Where's mama? Aizel, ang cute na ito. Pang-event. Kaso ito 30 naku, hindi bagay sa akin. Cute na wait. Mainit na yan ngayon. Pang ano, pang spring lang siya. But can you hold me? Sa init na. Hindi ni pa pumasta. Let's open Tana's package, okay? But just look, okay? So I have my Shein package and may singaw ako na paksakit. I have singaw. Yeah. Yeah.
But what is this?
Okay, this is cover for my MacBook.
What is this?
Can you wait muna? Let's open this one first.
Okay.
There's nothing for you here. Oh, it's so nice.
What is this?
This is cover for my MacBook.
Can I see properly?
What?
Can I see the
Inside?
yeah?
Okay, open it. Intermitida talaga to. Nye! There's not something inside. Okay. And this one?
And this one.
This is a case for my MacBook also.
Also this one.
Aray.
And also this one is for this one.
Yeah. Good job.
I'm helping you.
You're helping me? Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh. And this is my pajama.
Can I see it?
I got a white pajama.
And I got this one. I got the pillow.
Oh, it's so nice.
See?
A white short?
And this is white shirt, guys, because this is for Tanang and this one is for Tanang.
What's that?
Also, this one is for Tanang. You like it? It's so nice. Very fresh.
And this one is for Tanang because this one is for this one.
You like my pajama, this one?
Yeah, do you remember mine?
And this one, this is for Nono Anda's birthday.
Can I see?
You
Can
are
I see? Can I see?
like this.
Can I see inside?
Let's open next time na lang this one, okay?
Can I see?
We will put like a balloon here. We will wait for the balloon also.
Okay.
Okay? I don't break this one.
Can I work pretending?
Just pretend, okay?
Okay.
Wait lang. But don't... Diyan lang. Ano daw? Nabusan ng English. Tanang, what
Like
happened?
this, okay?
Yeah.
Don't open it
Yeah.
because it's so expensive. I'll show you my.
I'll just clean this one first with alcohol. So it's nice and clean.
You put alcohol
Mahulog ka
in the
dito.
apple juice.
Apple juice? Ah, yeah! Kinuwento ko kasi sa kanya, gusto niya nung C2. Sabi ko, hindi na pwede kasi may alcohol. Hanggang
I'll
ngayon, hindi
show
niya
you
nakalimutan.
my percent this one.
Okay.
I'll show you. I first this.
Oh no!
One for board, and so I will put my pillow in here.
It's not a pillow.
What is this?
This is a cover. Can I have the transparent one? The one no, nasa baba? So I'll put it here. Eh, paano tayo matatapos? Hindi ka naman, ano. Wait lang. Wait.
Okay, let's put it here because.
Oh, wait. Wait. Chill. Can you chill?
Yeah.
How do you chill? How do you chill? Oh, wait lang. Careful. Kasi baka masira. Tito Henhen will be angry at me. You want Tito Henhen? You want Tito Henhen to be angry at me?
No.
Alora. You listen to Tana.
What can you do?
Just watch.
This-
Nanood ako ng... Okay, can I talk first?
Okay.
Nanood ako ng mga TikTok videos about putting cover sa MacBook. And sabi, okay lang daw naman. Pero before kasi, ang sabi, bad daw sa MacBook. Pero meron naman okay. Eh ako, gusto ko ng may protection ba? Para at least, yun lang. Bakit parang may madumi? Wait a second, love.
Okay.
Good job, love. Mas protected na siya. Okay, and then let's try with this one. Let's see if it fits. And then maganda, may butas dito so makakahinga siya. Ooh. Ayun, more protected na siya. I like it. Do you like it?
This one is for
For?
to put the computer in your bag.
Yeah.
Because it's so big.
Yeah. Good job.
Bye-bye, vlog.
See you again.
See you again.
So, kasi super init na and ayoko nung pajama na nakikis-kis yung kilikili ko kasi nangingitim siya. So, to prevent, tatry ko kung maganda to. Pero so far, nafe-feel ko maganda naman yung ano niya, yung tela. So, hopefully, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura. Alright guys, hindi ko pa siya nakikita. So, yung salamin ko dito sa kwarto is ito lang. Tingnan ko kung okay siya. So nice. Hindi siya like super easy for me. And hindi siya yung too revealing. Sana ganito siya. Ganyan yung may detail siya na ribbon dito. And then dito lang sa may pusod. Pero malaki yung pusod ko kaya. Ito naman, galit na naman agad.
Hindi, kalma lang ako.
Hindi na nagbago ko.
Pero tutok naman, girl.
Kaya, buti nga tagwa.
At saka, baby,
ayun o!
naiya ako.
Okay na yung hindi kasi, hindi kita. Gugulo. Makikita yung kutsinta.
Pwede yung ano, wala naman.
Alin ba?
Ano lang yan eh. Raisin.
So, it's a Sunday and it is 1:51. Meron akong nail appointment ng 2 PM dito lang sa baba ng bahay. For my pedicure naman kasi last time nagmamadali akong umuwi kaya hindi na ako nagpa-pedicure din. And also mahal nga dun sa napuntahan ko, di ba? Pag pedicure naman kasi okay lang na dito sa baba. Dati kasi dito talaga ako pumupunta sa baba. Pero kasi hindi ko nagugustuhan minsan yung shape ng nails ko. Ngayon, itatry ko ulit. Sana maging okay. And dito kasi mas muna kasi nasa province ako. So, ayan, let's go.
Ano naman kasi liberata kung pasta on. Non trovo mai pasta qui. Dito may ka ng lavoro. Però comunque ogni giorno sto a Roma, quindi non c'è proprio tempo.